today's the day we start the camper van restoration. Woo! It's been sat there on its own for like 5 or 6 years. Took it off the road when I was in uni because I couldn't afford to do the work, and it hasn't moved since. So we're going to start with cleaning and see how far we get. Tyres are flat, so we're trying to cover them up to see if we can move the bus, but the brakes will out.
I've been here for 10 minutes on one tyre.
Don't exaggerate.
Getting it.
Not
One
always.
step at a time.
And now it's starting to rain. Yay! Trying to push it out. It's not happening. Oh. It ain't moving. So while Frankie's trying to sort out the hose pipe situation to use the snow foam on the outside because general dirt, we've taken off the door handles. Where have we put them there? So we can clean up the chrome on these because they've turned a funny colour, and also clean up the vinyl because that's getting a tiny bit mouldy. But I'm relatively surprised and happy with how dry it is. It's a mess, obviously, and there's other cameras. How dry it is in here, considering it's been stood still for so long. So that one's come up pretty nice. And the seat is nice and clean. They were all new. I had them all recovered and then put it into storage. So I was like a bit worried that they would be wrecked. But no, they're fine. Frankie, have you sorted it?
What's that?
Have you sorted it?
Yeah, well, I think so.
Looks much better already though. Snow foam tends to be doing the trick so far. Get in there. Visors are as good as they're gonna get. Oops. person who had them before me decided to spray paint them, and all that is, I can't see if you can see, it's peeling off. It's weird. And it's all a bit dodgy, so they're on the list of new things to buy, but for now they're relatively clean. Clean in the badge. It's as good as it's gonna get. Managed to get some of the rust off the front, rust marks even. I think it's a lot better than it was. Found lots of bits that need fixing. That's even worse now. And this is very rusty. And we found a couple of the windows were letting in some water, but that's fine because I've got new seals for all the windows, and I've got 4 wheel arches ready to go on when I find somebody to weld. First day wasn't too bad, I don't reckon, guys. We got some work done. Wrapped back up nice and tight, ready for the next time I get to do some work. We got some campervan shows coming up, so hopefully we'll get some new parts and whatever while we're there. And we'll have part 2 very soon. Yay!